What defines luxury? Is it world-class diving? Traveling to unique locations that few have ever laid eyes on? Is it concierge care from highly trained professional staff? Or is it that extra space that's all your own? True luxury is about the journey, cruising on a yacht that's purpose-built for the diver who wants to explore in comfort and style. Find your luxury where liveaboard diving is being redefined, the Velocean. With a range of itineraries, you can explore some of the world's most pristine marine environments, including the underwater photographer's paradise, Raj Ampat. Designed with the underwater photographer in mind, the Velocean offers spacious, dedicated workstations for setting up and storing your camera system, with power stations to charge your gear safely in between dives. You don't have to lift a finger. Your experienced dive team handles your equipment with care and manages a seamless transition in and out of the water. After your dive, refresh yourself with a hot shower on deck, while your crew rinses and preps your gear for the next adventure. The experience doesn't end when you get out of the water. Explore the beauty of Indonesia with guided land excursions, boat tours, and scenic overlooks. There's something for every explorer. Your adventures are fueled by gourmet meals and snacks crafted to keep you energized for the adventures ahead. Done for the day? Relax in the climate-controlled lounge, share stories over a drink on the top deck, or simply stop to take in the 360-degree ocean views as the sun sets on another perfect day. Set your lens on the crown jewel of the ocean. Experience the journey of a lifetime on the most vibrant, awe-inspiring reefs in the world. Start your Velocean adventure at allstarliveaboards.com.